Ah, the Wild West. A time of cowboys, outlaws, saloons, and endless adventure. The romantic vision of riding a horse across the dusty plains with a six-shooter at your side is thrilling. But let's face it, most of us wouldn't last a week. If you're dreaming of time travel to the days of yore, let me give you a reality check. You can't cook over an open fire, and that's a problem. Let's start with the basics. Food. In the Wild West, fast food didn't mean a quick drive-thru visit. It meant chasing down your dinner. Most meals consisted of whatever you could hunt, gather, or scavenge. Imagine trying to roast a rabbit you caught with your bare hands, only to realize you don't know how to start a fire without a lighter. In today's world, we rely on modern conveniences like electric stoves and delivery apps. The thought of cooking over an open flame without a recipe app might make you break out in a cold sweat. Picture yourself standing by a campfire, poking at a burnt piece of meat with a stick, while your stomach growls like a grizzly bear. No TikTok cooking hack can save you now. And let's not forget about coffee. In the Wild West, you'd have to grind beans with a rock and boil water over a campfire to get your caffeine fix. Can you imagine starting your day without your espresso machine or favorite coffee shop latte? Yikes! Also, food preservation was a major issue. The lack of refrigeration meant you'd have to eat your catch quickly or find ways to preserve it, like salting or drying. Say goodbye to fresh produce and hello to a diet of beans, jerky, and hardtack. It makes you appreciate modern supermarkets where you can grab fresh strawberries any time of the year. The fashion police would have a field day. Forget about your trendy outfits and designer jeans. Wild West fashion was all about practicality, not style. You'd be rocking cowboy boots, chaps, and a hat so wide it could double as a small umbrella. No more worrying about coordinating colors or the latest fashion trends. Your wardrobe would consist of dust-covered clothes, and whatever you could stitch together after an unfortunate encounter with a cactus. Sure, cowboy hats are cool, but they're not great at keeping out the dust and sweat. You'd soon discover that a bandana isn't just a cute accessory. It's a necessity to keep your face from looking like a dried-up prune. The real kicker? Bathing was more of a monthly suggestion than a daily ritual. Get ready to embrace your new eau de cologne, Eau de Barnyard. Can you imagine trying to navigate life without your phone's mirror app to check your hair or makeup? You might end up using the reflection in a horse trough, and trust me, it's not the same. Fashion faux pas were the least of your worries, but if you can't handle a wardrobe malfunction, the Wild West might not be for you. And those cowboy boots? They weren't just for show. They were meant for long hours in the saddle, not for walking around town. Your feet would be sore and blistered after a day of navigating the rocky terrain, making you long for the comfort of your favorite sneakers. It's a tough world out there, partner. You'd be lost without Google Maps. The Wild West was a vast, open land with no street signs, GPS, or friendly neighborhood baristas to point you in the right direction. Navigating this rugged terrain required a good sense of direction, which most of us lost somewhere between our first smartphone and that last turn right at the Starbucks command from our GPS. Picture this. You're on horseback trying to find your way to the next town, and all you have is a sun-bleached map that looks like it's seen more gunfights than you have episodes on your favorite TV show. You'd be lucky to find your way out of the saloon, let alone across the desert. Can you imagine having to ask for directions in the Wild West? With no Yelp reviews or star ratings, you'd have to rely on the word of a mysterious stranger at the saloon, who may or may not be sending you straight into outlaw territory. And let's not even talk about the dangers of running into a cactus or a rattlesnake because you weren't paying attention. You'd have to navigate using landmarks which often looked the same. One cactus or rocky outcrop blends into another after a while. Maybe it's best to stay home and watch a Western movie instead, where you can safely navigate your way from the couch to the fridge without getting lost. The local wildlife wants to kill you. Sure, you might be an animal lover, but the Wild West takes it to a whole new level. Out here, the animals aren't cute and cuddly. They're dangerous and sometimes downright terrifying. From rattlesnakes and scorpions to wolves and mountain lions, the local wildlife would see you as a walking buffet. Let's face it, most of us panic at the sight of a spider in the bathroom, let alone a bear lurking around the campsite. Imagine trying to sleep under the stars, only to be kept awake by the howls of wolves in the distance. Your bedtime story might turn into a horror film faster than you can say Gold Rush. And don't even think about trying to ride a horse without some serious training. In the movies, it looks easy. But in reality, you'd probably end up on the ground more times than in the saddle. Horses are powerful creatures with a mind of their own, and without the right skills, you might find yourself wishing for a trusty bicycle instead. And let's not forget about the insects. Mosquitoes and other bugs were a constant nuisance. Without modern insect repellent, you'd be spending your evening swatting away at the air, hoping to avoid bites. Suddenly, your bug zapping app doesn't seem so silly, does it? So what's the verdict? Sure, the Wild West has a certain charm, with its tales of adventure and romance. But when you consider the challenges of daily survival, cooking over a fire, navigating without GPS, dressing in dusty clothes, and dealing with wildlife, it might be a good idea to enjoy the Wild West from the safety of your couch. While dreaming of cowboys and frontier life, remember that the modern world has its perks. You can order a pizza without hunting it down, dress in the latest fashions without stitching your own clothes, and navigate the world with just a swipe of your finger. Plus, you can appreciate the comforts of air conditioning and indoor plumbing. Two things that definitely didn't exist in the Wild West. The Wild West may be a thrilling chapter in history, but let's leave it to the movies and history books while we enjoy the comforts of modern life. Happy trails!